In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font in Inkscape. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pick a different typeface for your text and see the change instantly without any confusion. First, open Inkscape. Give it a moment to load your workspace. If you already have a document with text, great. If not, you can create some now so you have something to work with. To add new text, choose the Text tool. You can click the big A icon in the toolbar or press T on your keyboard. Click once on the canvas and start typing. You'll see a blinking cursor and your text will appear as you type. If you already have text and just want to change its font, you don't need to retype anything. Instead, use the Select tool. That's the arrow icon, or press S. Click your existing text once to select it. The selection handles will show up around the text object, letting you know it's active. With your text selected or being edited, look to the top toolbar. You'll see a drop-down that displays the current font name. This is the font control for the selected text. If you don't see that option, double-check that your text is actually selected. Font options only appear when Inkscape knows you're working with a text object. Now it's time to choose a font. Click the box that shows the current font name to open the list. Scroll through to browse what's available on your system. Take your time here, especially if you have a lot of fonts installed. When you find one that fits your design, click it. The moment you do, your selected text will adopt that font. You'll notice the change is applied immediately. There's no extra confirmation needed. If the update doesn't appear, make sure the text is still selected and that you're not clicked on another object. If you change your mind, you can always reopen the drop-down and pick a different font, or press undo to step back. That's truly all there is to it. Open Inkscape, add or select your text, locate the font drop-down on the top toolbar, choose the typeface you want, and the font change applies right away. Keep this workflow in mind anytime you're experimenting with typography in your designs. A clear font choice can dramatically improve readability and style, and Inkscape makes the switch quick and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and happy designing in Inkscape.